Allu Arjun's father met the victim in the hospital. He also addressed media and said that the actor is financially supporting the victim in the treatment, and to support the family, the actor is giving an amount summing up to 2 crores of rupees. These are the live visuals from actor Allu Arjun's father's visit to meet the victim at the hospital. Allu Arjun's father went to meet a young child, a minor boy who was injured during the Sandhya Theatre stampede case, the visuals of which you can see on your screens right now. We're also being joined by my colleague Aneri, live on the broadcast, for more details on the visit. Aneri, this comes amid the thick of when Allu Arjun is scuffling with the police and scuffling with the state, in fact, over the stampede, which, as per documents, did not have much to do with his presence at the Sandhya Theatre. Tell me more details about this. The actor's father has visited the victim, which I believe is the young boy, the boy of the lady who was killed in the stampede, the son. Pardon me. Tell me more.
Well, that's right. What we have been seeing is that amid the investigation which has been going on over the 4th of December incident, on one side we had seen that how Allu Arjun was questioned and grilled by the police officials yesterday for 4 hours. Well, now we see that today the Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind, along with the Film Development Corporation chairman, Dil Raju, who is also the producer of the Tollywood film industry, they had come here, they had met the family members, and also now Allu Arvind has announced that to support the family members of the victim, they have announced and they have been giving 2 crore rupees. 1 crore is from, on behalf of Allu Arjun, 50 lakhs from Maitri Movie Makers, who is the production, who is the producer of Pushpa 2, and also the director Sukumar has handed over a check of 50 lakh rupees to the family. So basically, overall 2 crore rupees being given to the family members of the victim. And also what Allu Arvind has to say is that the boy is under recovery. The ventilator has been removed, but he is under recovery, and he is recovering fast, is what Allu Arvind has to say.
Right, Aneri, thank you so much for getting us those details. We will keep on to this story, but for now, it's time for more breaking news. Telugu Film Development Corporation chairman confirms that they have sought time to meet Chief Minister Revanth Reddy tomorrow. People from the film industry will meet Chief Minister Revanth Reddy tomorrow. There is an official confirmation that the Telugu Film Development Corporation chairman has given. People from the Telugu film industry will meet Chief Minister Revanth Reddy tomorrow. This comes in connection with actor Allu Arjun's case. We are again being joined by my colleague Aneri to get us more on the story. Aneri, tell us more about this meeting. This has just come in. There is fresh information that people from the industry will be meeting Chief Minister Revanth Reddy tomorrow. What is this about? What can be expected?
Well, that's right. We have just got a confirmation. We just happened to speak to Dil Raju, who is the Film Development Corporation chairman, and also the producer Dil Raju, who just met the family members of the victim, and also he has stated that there is a meeting, there is an appointment which they have got from the Chief Minister, and also people from the film industry will be meeting. Who will be a part of this meeting from the film industry? That is yet to be confirmed. But yes, people from film industry will be there meeting the Chief Minister of Telangana, Revanth Reddy, tomorrow. You remember how we have been seeing an episode which has been going on over the since the time of arrest of Allu Arjun to the time how he has been questioned by the police officials. Amid all of that, this meeting turns out to be a very crucial one. There would be discussions which would be held over all of this matter, and also various other issues and matters related to the film industry will also be discussed, is what we are getting to know. So tomorrow there will be a meeting with the Chief Minister of the Film Federation